I don't know why or what you say, oh. I think you too loyal, you say, I think you too loyal, girl.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So I woke up like 15 minutes ago and I just was feeling my rough ass hair and I'm just not okay with it. I am happy that my bangs stayed this curly for like, it's been almost a week. Well, it's been like maybe 5 days. My bangs literally just been looking like that, which I'm happy about. It's the rest of my hair that is not it. So I really would like to do a treatment this morning, but the thing is, I was reading up on like some of the products that I do have and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so many like chemicals and like stuff that I don't even know exactly what it is. So I'm like, do I really want to keep putting these things in my hair that I really don't know what it is and what is it doing to my hair? If it's making my hair worse or is it making my hair better? I really don't know. So I decided that I'm gonna do a DIY hair mask for damaged hair. Now I know bananas are really good for your hair, avocados, olive oil, what else is good for the hair? Coconut oil. That's really things to like really moisturize your hair. So I'm actually gonna get my phone and start looking up the amounts and stuff like that and mixing it together, but I'll show you guys that process. I just want to make sure I'm putting the right stuff in my hair, so be right back. Alright you guys, so I decided that I'm going to do the avocado, the banana, the extra virgin olive oil, and the egg. Okay, so it says the combination of ingredients might sound a little strange, but they will really work on damaged hair. The egg acts as a cleaning agent, while the avocado and banana help moisturize and give a natural shine. Alright, so let me get started. Ew, I hate when the banana looks like that. I hate when the banana looks like that. What I don't know is how much should I put. Am I putting the whole entire thing? I guess so. I don't even have that much hair, so I don't know if I should be doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna use half of this. I feel too bad. If we had more avocado at the moment, I would use more. But I'm pretty sure someone wants to eat that in my house right now, so I'm just gonna use half of it. Alright, I'm back. That's how true it is. So for the most part, I feel like people do not use homemade hair masks because one, they don't want to just sit there and mix it and do that process. Two, I feel like everyone just knows that it's so messy and they're just trying to avoid that. Like you could just get a nice little cream hair mask, just put it all over your hair. You know how it smells. You love the smell because it has a lot of fragrance. Me on the other hand, if I could just do this at home and save a couple coins, then why would I not do that? Especially I know exactly what I'm putting in my hair and the benefits of it, instead of just putting in products, you know, that I have no idea what's in them. Okay, so let's see. Also, I put one whole banana. I don't even know how much olive oil I just put. I just winged it. I just eyed it and just let it flow. I used one egg and I used half of an avocado. So this is what it looks like after all the mixing. It's super, there's still chunks in there. Sorry, I didn't show that much. There's still, oh my god, it almost fell. Okay, that was a bad idea. Let me just go like this. So there's still chunks in there, but not that much. It's really like liquidy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a towel and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my towel here, which I'm gonna place like this, and I'm actually going to separate my hair a little bit. because it doesn't make sense to just have my whole hair out and then I'm just like pouring it all over my head. It's just gonna go everywhere even more. So it's gonna be a little less messy if you section your hair. This is what my hair is looking like. It's so flat in the back, and look, like you could just tell all my ends are super damaged. What they need is a trim, and they need a lot of moisture, and they need some life. So this treatment, this hair mask, I'm gonna leave it in for 30 minutes. All right, so I just sectioned my hair in 4 pieces. I have these 2 little bun thingies and these 2. This is about to be a new look. Okay, so I decided to get some of these just in case I needed to like wipe, you know, I don't know. So
let's get started. This about to be gross.
Oh, and another thing I wanted to say is that I'm applying it to, I don't know if I said this before, but my hair is dirty. I didn't think it made sense for me to wash my hair, put this, and then I have to wash my hair after this. Do you understand me? So I just decided that I'm just gonna put it first. Try to keep your hand movements like really like close to each other instead of like going like this and bringing, you know, dropping everything. So I'm gonna put a lot on these ends. It's legit getting all over this towel. So if you don't have a towel, don't bother doing this because you will need one. Next section. Honestly, you'd probably be better off doing this like in the shower or something. I'm not even gonna lie, but whatever, as long as you have a towel and you don't mind cleaning up a bit. Shouldn't be that gross to you guys. It's not like mayo. I know a lot of people cannot stand mayo. Those are other treatments that I used to use, but like that I used to always use that one. But I wanted to do something without the smell of mayo, and I really do not mind this banana smell, and this mainly smells like banana, which I do like the smell of banana, so I ain't mad at it. Alright, so now that it looks like someone legit just threw up all over your hair, you're going to cover it with this plastic cap. Me, I'm going to leave it 45 minutes, but you can leave it for 30 minutes if you're not trying to smell it. I mean, it smells good to me. But yeah, this thing is big because I've used it. Okay, piece of avocado. I've used it so many times, so I'm going to wrap it up with another one. Alright, I'm done. So I will I'm gonna listen to music, I'm gonna dance and doing whatever for a good 45 minutes, and I will be back.
I'm a motherfucking train wreck, waiting, but I do just what I have to do.
Why a man great till they gotta be great?
You try to break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. Alright, I need to be stopped. I literally I spent all that time singing. Definitely throwing this out afterwards. I need to buy new ones. I want to feel what it feels like now. Oh, I mean, my hair feels super freaking soft. OD soft. Ew, I'm getting in the shower. Bye, hold on. Okay, listen, let me tell you something. I'm so glad that I'm so honest and I'm just not one of those YouTubers who they come back and they act like, oh my god, it was so amazing, like I loved it. I'm laughing. I'm laughing because I feel like I did this whole process like so wrong, like beyond so wrong. So 2 things that I will do differently next time, because I love the way my hair felt, like super soft. But no, one thing I definitely have to do differently is take out all my knots before going in and applying it, because that was a fail. The chunks of banana and avocado were making my hair so knotty. That's 1. 2, please use a blender or something to make it all the way where there's no chunks, because the chunks literally ruin everything. I'm like, oh my god, it's fine, it's just chunks, like it's not that serious. No, it is that serious, and I feel like that is what made my hair so knotty. So easy for me to like comb my hair out, but I had to wash my hair like 3 times. I washed it twice for sure, and I just gave it one more like 3rd kind of rinse type of thing, but I still had chunks all in my hair, and I hope now it's all out because I'm like so over it. it was a fail, but at the same time it wasn't a fail because my hair felt so good. But yeah, if you do those two things differently, I promise you. Alright you guys, so that is it for the DIY hair mask for damaged hair. Please take notes and don't be me and do what I said to do at the end because you'll have better results. I'm actually thinking about doing like a DIY face mask next. Comment below if you guys would love to see that. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and follow me on all social media. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. And I will see you guys in my next